Did you know that a single mistake on your credit report could be holding you back from your dream home? Let's change that. Welcome to day one of the March Money Moves, elevating your credit in 30 days. Yes, I got a new challenge for you. I'm Sabriyah Callis, your partner in finding and funding your new home. And today we're kicking things off with the first step to taking control of your credit, and that's going to be by pulling your free credit report. Your credit report is the foundation of your financial profile, and knowing what's on it is the key to improving your score and getting mortgage ready. That's what it's all about, right? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to get your free credit report, what to check for, and why your score isn't included. And don't worry, we'll break down FICO scores in the next video. Your credit report is like your financial report card. It's going to have details like your credit history, including your payment history, open and closed accounts, and any negative marks like collections or late payments. Lenders are going to use this information to determine if you're a good candidate for a mortgage, car loan, or a credit card. So, the first step in improving your credit is knowing exactly what's on your report. And by law, you are entitled to one free credit report every 12 months from each of the three major credit bureaus, and that is Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And as of this recording, due to special provisions, you can actually access your reports weekly for free through annualcreditreport.com. So now let's walk through the exact steps to pull your credit for free. I want you to grab your laptop or your phone and follow along.
All right, so you're going to visit, I want you to go to annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website authorized by the federal government. Once you're there, I want you to click where it says request your free credit reports. It's going to take you over to a secured form. Once you're there, you'll hit that box that says request your credit reports. It's going to have you enter in some information there. Let me plug in some data there. And you'll put in first name, last name, your date of birth, social security number will be entered as well. And then it's going to also ask you for your current address. The address also needs to be at least 2 years of history. So if your current residence does not include 2 years or more of history, it's going to have you enter in your previous address as well. Okay. Looks like I missed something here on the state. Of course, the great state of Texas. I'm going to plug that in there. Whatever your state, city, zip code, let's make sure to include that. Once you do that, it's going to have you choose which of the credit reports you would like to view. Again, you have access to one copy of each in a 12-month period. Right now, you can get it weekly from any one of them, but you'll have to do this each time for each individual credit report you request. You can't select all three at the same time. Once you do that, you'll select the next button and it's going to take you over to a verification of your identity. It'll have you put in a mobile number, email address. It'll send over some information there, and then it's going to take you over to some knowledge-based assessments questions. Once you have been verified, you'll get instant access to your credit report, and then you'll be able to download that report as well.
That's it. You now have access to your full credit history. But remember, this report does not include your credit score. That's a separate number, which we'll talk about in the next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. Let's chat about what you should be looking for. Under your personal information, you want to make sure your name, address, and social security numbers are correct. When it comes to your accounts, I want you to review your open and closed accounts to ensure the accuracy there. Then you're going to see your payment history. I want you to check for any late payments or negative marks. You'll also see a section with hard inquiries. You can see who has accessed your credit and confirm it's legitimate. Then you might have collections or errors. Look for anything that shouldn't be there. And if you spot an error, we'll discuss how to dispute it in an upcoming video. All right, now that you've pulled your credit report, your challenge for today is to review it. Carefully highlight anything that seems incorrect or concerning. This is your first step towards financial empowerment. In our next video, we'll go into understanding your FICO credit score, what it is, why it matters, and how to improve it. So make sure you're subscribed. Be sure to turn on those notifications and drop a comment below if you have any questions about how to pull the credit report. I look forward to seeing you in the next video of March Money Moves. So let's build a strong financial future together. Bye now.